So I'm gonna demonstrate to Chloe and thanks to Marian. So first things first, when you're moving, it's not gonna be the mask, it's not gonna be your hairnet. It's not gonna be your hairnet, it's not gonna be your mask. It's gonna be first, anong una nating nilalagay? Is diba? Gloves, right? So una to, okay? Remove, simply just get something, dalawang finger, gano'n lang. Then, kunin mo dito, hat, yan, kumuta, then insert again, dito, sa ilalim, because you have to make sure kasi may blood yan eh. So there you go. And then just drop it on the floor, Then, sa likod na tayo. Pagka magpapatulong ka sa kung wala. Okay, pero sige there, and then down, then sa likod, and then drop it on the floor. Kasi may mag-alaga niyan. Okay. Okay. Then you can just drop mask, gloves, and the net. And we're done. May maglilinis dyan. Or there is a hamper available where we can drop everything. For now, wala tayong hamper, but we can put that the hamper there. That's it. Chloe, may sasabihin ka? Wala. Okay. Thanks for watching, everyone.
Nasagara, class. Dira na na ginabutang kanay magbuha. No? Look at ang gloves, tanawan. So, drop. So, gloves ang una, tamtangon.
Nakakalimutan ko.
Dr. John.
Doktor ba yan?
Doktor ka, Dok? Igang, Dok? Work on gloves. You look at the gloves. Tanawa yun sa Ma'am Jane. Okay, dapat kung unsang nasa sulod, maoy mo gawas. Tanang naa sa sulod na part, mapiko ninyo ka na. Look at her. Before she will drop it, drop. Step out. Dahil last na dayon, kung walang hand washing sa mo before mo mang lakaw na dayon. Okay?